I'm going to break down the basics of Forex trading so you can start making smart trades right away. No prior experience needed. Forex trading is the world's largest and most liquid market, with an average daily trading volume of over $6 trillion. It's a market that's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and it's a market that's accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a complete beginner, the Forex market offers endless opportunities to make money and build wealth. One of the biggest challenges beginners face when it comes to Forex trading is the sheer amount of jargon and technical terms that are thrown around. You've got terms like pips, leverage, and margin calls being tossed around like they're going out of style. It can be overwhelming, to say the least. And on top of that, the market can be incredibly volatile, with prices moving rapidly and unpredictably. It's enough to make your head spin. Another challenge beginners face is that they often don't know where to start. They might open up a trading account, deposit some money, and then just kind of flounder around. They might start clicking buttons and making trades without really understanding what they're doing or why. And more often than not, they end up losing money. It's a steep learning curve, and it can be tough to climb. Finally, there's the challenge of staying disciplined and patient. Forex trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to develop a strategy, to hone your skills, and to build your confidence. But it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of making a quick profit, and to start making impulsive decisions that can ultimately cost you dearly. Okay, so let's get down to business. When it comes to Forex trading, you're essentially trading currency pairs. You're buying one currency and selling another, based on the exchange rate between the two. The most commonly traded currencies are the US dollar, the euro, the yen, and the pound. And when you trade, you're using something called pips to measure your profit or loss. A pip is essentially a unit of measurement, and it's equal to 0.0001 of the quoted currency. Leverage is another key concept in Forex trading. Leverage allows you to control a larger amount of capital than you actually have in your account. It's like using a mortgage to buy a house. You're only putting down a small percentage of the purchase price, but you're still controlling the entire property. Leverage can be a powerful tool, but it can also be dangerous if you're not careful. You've got to understand how it works and how to use it wisely. So how do you get started in Forex trading? The first step is to educate yourself. Learn as much as you can about the market, about currency pairs, about pips and leverage. Read books, watch videos, take online courses. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart trades. Then, once you've got a solid foundation of knowledge, it's time to start practicing. Open up a demo account and start making virtual trades. Get a feel for the market and for how it moves. Risk management is crucial in Forex trading. You've got to have a clear understanding of how much you're willing to lose and how much you're willing to risk on any given trade. You've got to have a plan in place for when things go wrong, and you've got to stick to that plan no matter what. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of making a profit, but it's the losses that will ultimately make or break you. The key to successful risk management is to always keep your losses small and your profits large. You've got to be disciplined, and you've got to be patient. You've got to be willing to wait for the right trade to come along, and you've got to be willing to walk away when the trade isn't right. And you've got to remember that every loss is an opportunity to learn and improve. In conclusion, Forex trading is a complex and challenging market, but it's also a market that's full of opportunity. By understanding key concepts like currency pairs, pips, and leverage, and by following the principles of risk management, you can set yourself up for success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your questions in the comments below. If you're new to Forex trading, or if you're just looking to improve your skills, be sure to check out my other videos for more in-depth strategy and analysis. Forex Trading 101. The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Currency Trading.